In this video, we are going to focus on how to make cream cheeses by smoothing or blending materials such as cottage cheese or Greek yogurt. We're going to show you how a smooth, creamy product can be made by blending cottage cheese using a Silverson High Viscosity In-Line mixer. The special pumping rotor design allows this mixer to pump higher viscosity liquids than our standard range. As the cottage cheese passes through the workhead, it is subjected to intense high shear that progressively reduces the lumps in size. The result is a smooth, textured cream cheese. As well as the recirculation method shown here, this process could also be carried out in a single pass, where the cottage cheese would be pumped from one vessel to another through a multi-stage inline mixer. We offer mixers for a wide range of batch sizes, from laboratory or pilot scale units up to bulk production machines. Consistent results can be obtained across our entire product range, allowing you to scale up easily. To find out more, contact us today or visit our website at silverson.com.